That was magical, magical. You have told. I stand on there, and it like first stroke hit, and that vibration went to see my crown chakra, and then other stroke he hit, and then it came down, and then slowly, all vibration came up in my crown chakra. I feel my heart to same time, like it's traveling the sound and vibration and energy and crown chakra. It was like so powerful, and soon as that happened, and you came like the hawk, the bird, and it's like clearing out all negative energy in a cloud, and it's like glorifying, like that, and that was powerful. That was powerful. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you. Namaste.